You're feeding bunnies. Ay, ang ganda naman. Hi guys. Say hi guys. So guys, today we're going on a vacation. Today we're going to Tagaytay, to a hotel. One of the kid-friendly hotels in Tagaytay. Are you excited? This is in celebration of Mommy's Mommy's birthday on June 14, and Father's Day is June. So yeah, let's go. Grabe busy. Broom broom. First stopover of the day, we're getting food. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
So we're doing a quick stopover here on Hacienda. Hacienda is an outlet mall here in Silang. There's nothing better to do here than window shopping. Ayan, everything's on sale and buy one get one. Ayan, buy one get one. Yeah. Let's go. Ganda. Ayan na nga, nag-shopping na. Hello. Ang galing. Ang cute naman ng bata. Hawak mo talaga ang bit, ha? So wala kaming nabili because we're not really high on shoes right now. And talaga nag-stop over lang kami kasi pahinga ng sasakyan, pahinga ng driver, and pahinga ng mga puwet sa pagkakaupo. So I'll see you later. The hotel is 15 minutes away from here, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. So we just arrived at the hotel, and when you arrive at the hotel, just on the side you will see this, the water playground. And siya, yay! Here's the hotel. It's Kimberly Hotel in Tagaytay. Instant room tour. Ay, ang ganda naman. Yeah, we're greeted with balloons. Uy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy Father's Day for me! Yay! Okay, ayun na, nagmamadali. So we got here at 4 p.m. And sakto naman. There are activities for the kids and for the kids at heart. So ngayon, umpisa na anong umpisa ngayon, Mami? Animal feeding. Let's go! Wow! So right here you see iba-ibang birds. May peacock. Ayun, grabe yung manok. Manok on steroids. Ayun, bantam. Natulala. Let's go. Peacock. Wow. Chickens. Ducks. Ayan, merong goose. Wow. Yung tatay, nag-enjoy yung tatay. Yay! Do you wanna touch the duck? Ayaw? Meron ding bunnies. Okay. Ah, bunny! We're feeding bunnies. Ito na. Ano? Ano, iguana. Wow. Wala. Oh, he got stuck. Show the bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Wala, kinuha ka. Oh, peacock, oh, very beautiful. Ay, meron pang white na peacock. You know, here there are goats and a pair of sheep. Naka-smile sa goat. Galit yung sheep. Ganyan lang ka-close yung close encounter nila. Kasi takot sila. Someone got scared. Look at mommy. She's riding the horse. Anong pangalan ng horse, kuya? Happy! Yay! Mommy! Natakot siya? All done? Finish the ride, Bea! Touch the horse, Bea! Good job! So it's already 5 p.m. and we're planning to get food before we go upstairs. Rice? Rice kagad ang gusto, mami. Yeah, here's what we're having for dinner. Ginataang sitaw at kalabasa and tinolang manok. Wow! Excited na, gutom na. Yan si Totoy Brown. Bagsak. Good morning. So yesterday nakatulog na kami and there was supposed to be a bonfire na pupuntahan namin pero we didn't have the energy to go there yesterday. So it's a missed opportunity. And ang cute dito kasi merong may kumatok kagabi. We thought it was like a room service. Pero wala naman kaming in order. Yun pala, siya. Milk for babies. Arla milk for babies. And may kasamang Oreo. We're going downstairs to get breakfast. Tinola.
Steamed
Rice.
garlic rice,
Wow. Can I have rice today?
potato rice. Kain na
Bisugo.
bisugo.
Di marunong magbasa yan.
Parang L kasi. Homemade beef sausage. Wow.
Dessert bar. And sweet style spaghetti hot dogs. Parang for children. hiding. Hello. Bea, hide. Hide na, Bea. Oh. Found you. Bea. Morning, Bea. Yeah, we're eating lunch here at Pizzeria Saleta. It's like 5 minutes away from our hotel. Pero nag-check out na din ng mga vendor. Galing na mag-fishing.
I want.
As of this recording, it's been a couple of days since the vacation. And yes, na-enjoy naman nung anak ko yung stay dun sa hotel. The activities were fun. And merong playroom, pero hindi namin masyado nagamit kasi needed pa rin ng tokens. And late na namin siya na-discover. So totoo nga, advertise siya as kid-friendly hotel. So if you have kids and you're looking for a vacation na mag-enjoy din yung kids, kung yun ang priority nyo, you can search Hotel Kimberly in Tagaytay, and for sure mag-enjoy yung mga Junakis nyo doon. Ay, naluluha ako.
Very emotional ka na.
Very emotional ako kasi nag-enjoy talaga si Bea. So, yun lang naman, and I love you all. Mwah.